Hello and welcome to DaveTech. For returning subscribers, welcome back. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect a woofer or any audio device to Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So, if you have your woofer ready, if you have the audio device ready, it can be audio speaker. Make sure the visibility is turned on. Make sure the device is properly connected and the Bluetooth is turned on. Bluetooth visibility is turned on as well. Follow step by step, and at the end of this tutorial, you understand how to do that. So, head over to the top bar. I'm going to navigate to quick settings, and then you're moving to Bluetooth. So, Bluetooth, you've clicked on Bluetooth. You can now pair remote or accessory. So that audio device is going to be an accessory. I have my audio device here, my CY device. So it's an audio device. I'm going to head over to the top of the list and click on pair. So this is going to start searching for device and accessories, and right there you find my device. So that's my audio woofer. I'm clicking on it and you see it begins to pair. Give it some seconds and the pairing will complete. From now, you're going to be able to receive audio from that device. You just click on pair and you see it's connected. Now any audio I play, if I stream a movie, if I stream a video, any content that has audio I'm receiving on this Google TV is going to be outputted from that Bluetooth device. So if you found that insightful, you're able to get your woofer or audio output paired, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video content like this.